Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add video and photo to Facebook posts. So here I've already opened the Facebook apps on my phone. Then to start creating a post, you can just click on the what's on your mind box in here. Then to add the photo or video, you can just click on this option. Okay, to choose both photo and video, click on the select multiple and then select the photo and also the video that you want to update. Okay, for example, I've already choose a photo. Then next I'm going to choose the video. Okay, for example this one. Then click on next. Here you can see this is a photo and this is the video. If you want to create a caption, just write in here, then click on post. Okay, so that's how you can post both video and photo to Facebook posts. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.